New unboxing packages from Asus. Alright, so it's day 2 of the daily cast. So yan, binago ko na. It's not lightning news, it's already daily cast. And thanks guys for the suggestions and thanks for thumbs up para dun sa mga nag-approve na daily cast ang bagong turn natin. Anyway, so actually maganda yung mga balita ngayon. It's very interesting kasi maraming leak and maraming mga rumored na hindi natuloy, and hopefully magustuhan yung mga balita ngayon. Anyway, so before I start, may nag-comment. So may suggestion si Leo Mardim Ayuat. So hopefully na-pronounce ko yung name mo ng tama. Ang sabi niya is sana manalo ako. So he also joined the contest. And by the way, it's still ongoing. You can go check that out here and click that. And mananalo kayo ng O+ USA 360 HD. Okay, it's still ongoing until July 15. Sabi niya, suggest lang, sama mo sa segment mo yung app of the day. Actually, very nice suggestion. I like that suggestion. And I'll be starting that tomorrow. So stay tuned on the app of the day. And if you have requests or if you have any apps that you want to feature, guys, so leave it in the comment section down below. So let's see kung sino yung pwede kong ma-feature na app na usually na ginagamit nyo. Okay, on your day-to-day basis na paggamit ng smartphone or tablet. First news, Asus Zenfone Go. So meron leak, and ang specs is it's a MediaTek processor, and this is an entry level na smartphone. So this is still rumor and wala pang official na release ng Asus regarding this one, but based dun sa mga leakage is ang sizing is 5-inch quad core MediaTek with 8 gigs of internal storage and 2 gigabytes of RAM. Very similar daw siya sa Zenfone 5. Next is merong leak also ang iPhone, which is sabi nila 6S, so that's the rumored name, and ang itsura ng bagong leak is almost still the same with the iPhone 6, but internally medyo may mga nabago daw, but yung outside look it's very the same. And the bad news is yung mga recent rumored kasi sabi nila meron daw dual camera, and unfortunately based on here on 9to5 Mac, ang sabi niya is no dual lens camera system. So because of the rear na back case is yung left and right is hindi magkaparehas nung lens size. So that might be a flash or different thing na i-add ni Apple. Internally, medyo may mga nabago, but outside, almost the same. So yun yung balita sa Apple na upcoming device. Next is the BlackBerry. Next is the BlackBerry Venice, and it's a rumored na gagamitin is Android OS. And rather than yung popular nila na operating system na BlackBerry, so may nilik si Eve Leaks here on Twitter. So ang itsura niya is like the BlackBerry Passport, but then yung interface is a parang lollipop na Android. And very interesting kasi you will see an Android na merong keyboard. Few pa lang yung may ganong mga device, and I really can't remember kung actually meron release ng may keyboards. If ever, kung babalik man si BlackBerry, so ito yung rumored na ilalabas nila. So meron ng Android operating system. So let me know in the comment section, guys, if you're interested to have a BlackBerry if in case maglabas na sila ng Android operating system na version. Alright, so here, local news. So if you remember, nag-post ako last April 25 sa Pinoy Screencast, and I took a photo of the NorthEdge Razer store na opening soon. Nakalagay opening June. And actually, ang rumor is magbubukas daw tomorrow, that is July 4. But then, nag-tweet yung CEO ng Razer, which is Min Liang Tan. And ang sabi niya, I've been reading a lot of rumors about the Razer store opening tomorrow in the Philippines. It's not true. So there, si mismong CEO na nagsabi na walang opening na magaganap tomorrow. And yung rumored na opening date kasi yung July na date, July 4. But then, this news is still unclear, and also ang sabi nila is yung mismong CEO na si Min Liang is pupunta sa actual opening, but then no specific date yet kung kailan yung actual opening, but it will open soon. Next news is about Huawei and yung P8 and P8 Lite. Meron na silang official price, And yung 16GB variant ng P8 is cost 21,990. And yung P8 Lite is half the price. It's only 9,990. So you can just post this video if you want to check out the full detail yung specs nilang dalawa. And also Acer Liquid Z410 is now available at Lazada. And the specs is 1.5 GHz MediaTek 6732 quad-core with Mali T760 MP2 with 1GB of RAM and 8GB internal storage with 5MP rear camera with 2MP front. And also they have a Windows version which is the Acer Liquid M220. It's a entry-level na Windows-based na smartphone and it's available in the Vilman.com. I'll put the link in the description box of this video where you can check it out. And it's a 512MB RAM with 8GB internal storage and having a 1.2 GHz dual-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 200. And just for the price of 2,490. And basically that's it guys for today's daily cast, and see you tomorrow for another news and updates. So if you have tips and news that you want to share guys, feel free to comment it down below. Once again, I'm Arnovino, PinoyScreencast.net, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more daily casts. Alright, so tomorrow I'll be uploading a unboxing and review since may mga dumating na naman ng mga bagong unboxing packages, and hopefully magustuhan niyo yung mga bago kong i-unbox na video. Again, I'm Arnovino, and see you tomorrow.